Okay, so it's camper walk around day again, and I've got one hell of a camper to show you today, and this is our version of the California. So make sure you hang around until the end of this video because you're going to love this camper. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Sam here from High Life Campers. Now, as I just said, we've got an amazing VW camper to show you. So we finished this van about 2 days ago and we picked it up from the workshop yesterday, and this is being delivered to our customer tomorrow. So our customer is based in Essex, and we actually helped her to source this van. So we sourced the van from VW down in Chelmsford in Essex. Okay, we had the van delivered to us up in Huddersfield, and we spent the last 3 weeks converting this van to the exact specification that she wanted. So she's gone for the platinum package, but she's chosen all the colours, and I think you'll agree this van looks absolutely amazing. It's very different to the vans that we usually convert. It's actually a two-tone van, so we've sprayed the van from being just a white van into a two-tone, and she's gone for the kind of old school 70s look on this camper. So I'd really love to get your feedback. Let me know what you think to the two-tone paint, but also the spec inside the van. So what I want to do now, as usual, I'll walk around the outside of the van, I'll show you what the exterior looks like, and then we'll jump inside the van and I will show you all the interior spec. But make sure you hang around till the end of this video because I would really love to get your feedback in the comment section below. Just let us know what you think. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's get started with the walk around. Okay, so here we are. So this is a 2020 VW T6.1. Okay, it's a Highline model and it's also a DSG, okay, so it's got an automatic gearbox. So as I said before, this was just a white panel van that was bought from VW in Chelmsford, and we've now fitted the full platinum package, and our customer chose all of the exterior colours and also all the interior spec. So this is actually the first two-tone van we've done, and we actually had this spray painted. So rather than a wrap, it's had a full bottom half spray paint, and it's a really, really nice finish. So this colour is copper bronze, okay, which is a Volkswagen colour. So you may have seen some Volkswagen vans in this copper bronze colour, and we think it works really well with the white and the copper. So it's had the platinum package, so it's got the gloss black side steps, as you can see. We fitted some brand new 20-inch Wolf Race alloys and brand new tyres. As usual, the van has been lowered by just 30mm, just to give it a slightly lower look, which will help, getting into garages and things like that. We've also colour-coded the front splitter on this van. So usually we would keep them gloss black, but as you can see, we've colour-coded that. And I think it looks really, really great. So this van looks very much like the VW California, especially in this two-tone paint. But in my biased opinion, I would say this van looks miles better than the California, especially inside it, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So we've got privacy glass all the way around. And this customer went for a scenic canvas roof. So it's a dark brown canvas, and then the canvas ties right back so you can open the roof up so you can look out over the views. So it's a really, really nice add-on to the camper. We really like the scenic canvases. So let us know what you think in the comments below to the outside of the van. Do you like the two-tone? Do you like the copper bronze paint? We'd love to get your feedback because two-tone paint is now one of our extras that we can offer if you do want a two-tone van, and it's much easier to find white vans than any other colour. So if you do want a two-tone, get in touch and let us know and we can look at sourcing you a van. And this is obviously a tailgate van as well, which a lot of our customers are looking for. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll hop inside the van and I'll show you all of the interior spec and see what you think to that. Okay, so what I'll do first of all is talk you through the colour choices and then some of the extras that have been added to the camper. So the customer's gone for like a tan brown colour. It does change colour in different lights. So if I move the camera around, you can see it does look lighter in different lights, but it's a tan colour, and we've put the dark brown VW logos and also the dark brown stitching in the seats as well. Now this customer went for a slightly different coloured furniture, which you can't really see on this video. It looks like the light grey that we use, but this is actually called cashmere. So it's a very, very light shade of brown to match the rest of the interior spec, which looks really, really nice. So it's cashmere units and then a slightly brown sort of beige Altro flooring to complement the units. The customer's also gone for the solid oak worktops and the table, which we think looks really, really good with the tan seating. And then because it's had the platinum package, it's had the van shades blinds, and these are called mocha, so they are like a light brown colour. So you've got one above the kitchen, one on the back window, and then one also on this side here. And then because it's had the platinum package, you can see the little dial there for the diesel heater, and that little vent down there is where the heat comes out of. Now all our vans have a Dometic fridge freezer with a double gas burner and a 12-litre water tank with running water in the sink there. Now the gas tank and the water tank are in those cupboards just down there below. Now we've matched the front seats to the rock and roll bed. Now this van actually originally had a double seat, but we've actually replaced the double with a single. We sourced a single seat for the van and then had that reupholstered, and then of course it's got the swivel mechanism on there so you can swivel the seat round. So this is an option for you if you do want to bring a van to us, or if we source a van for you and it has a double seat. We can replace the double for a single, but it is about £1,000 unless we can find a van for you with a single seat as standard. Now I'll just quickly hop in and just show you the roof, just so you can see how the roof works. So the roof is on gas struts, and we just pull the bedboard down here. So I'm 6'2" and I can stand up perfectly in the van. And then when you pull the bedboard down, you've got a nice big roof area. And we are now selling our own bespoke mattresses to fit these West Stubbs roof perfectly. And if you're interested in buying a mattress for your pop top, you will be able to find them on our accessory shop, our online store, which is highlifecampers.com. Okay, so I'll push the bedboard back up and then I'll take a sit at the back of the van so you can see how it looks from behind. So here we are at the back of the van, so you can see now how light it is now when you've got that scenic canvas opened up. It really does give you a lot more breeze, a lot more air coming through the van, and a really nice place to lie in your bed and look out over the view. So we really do love these scenic canvases. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this interior spec. Do you like the tan upholstery and the cashmere units, and also those mocha blinds, which I think look really good with this solid oak worktops? So please let us know what you think in the comment section on YouTube below this video. Okay, so that's it for my little walk around video of this amazing VW camper. And like I say, we would really appreciate your feedback on this particular van because we are considering doing some more two-tone vans in the future. And like I said, we are now offering two-tone paint as an extra if you're looking for that kind of old school retro look. So make sure you comment below and let us know what you think. And if you've not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that because I do share regular information videos covering all sorts of different topics about VW campers. And we do also share all the walkarounds of our base vehicles that we've got coming through and also all the completed campers that we've got available. So make sure you subscribe. And if you're considering getting a VW camper in the near future and you want to talk through some options about whether to go and buy your own van and have it converted or whether to buy a completed camper, then make sure you get in touch with us because we can also talk through our source and convert service, which most of our customers do use, whereby we go and find the right base vehicle for you to fit in with your budget. And then we will then turn that into a luxury camper where you'll be able to choose all the colour of the spec and also any extras that you want. And you can find more information on our website about our source and convert service, which is highlifecampers.co.uk. And I will also put both of our guides below this video on YouTube, one to our VW camper buyer's guide and also to our conversion spec guide, where we lay out all the details of our conversion packages plus all the prices. So I'll put links to both of those guides below this video on YouTube, and you can also get those for free on the homepage of our website. So make sure you hit the like button and I will see you in the next video.
Running out of ways to save my soul. So maybe I should give in to your boy. Oh.